You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts. Alright, it is wrap-up time on the demo. This construction speak for, those people who don't understand that. So we're just going to finish up. I got the new hub here. A knuckle for you. A little knuckle sandwich. Yeah. I'm going to throw that on, and I ain't opened the box yet, but those are the rotors. So start throwing some things together, throwing some ratchets around, and hopefully nobody gets hurt. As you can see, I made a little slight error when I was putting the hub back together. This guy, I forgot to put this guy. Can't see too well. This guy back in. That's what I did. Little boo-boo. Luckily everything came back apart really quick. And this thing even going? What's going on here? Yeah, hold on. It was going. Alright. And we're back from commercial break. So forgot to put that guy in, and then decided to take it back apart. And didn't take too long. So luckily it wasn't too big of a problem. So got that apart. But however, I did run into a problem. I already kind of took the problem apart, so I'll just describe it rather than putting. I don't want to put things back together, but because this guy back here, this guy is bent. A whole hub should be about here, but it's pushed back. I might be exaggerating slightly, but it should be about 2 inches or so forward than where it is right now. So the back of the wheel hits the pinch weld here. Again, you can't see. Ryan and his great lighting, right? Tell me about it, people. Tell me about it. It's the pinch weld here, the tire. I even tried this guy here. This isn't even the spare for the Brembo brakes. This is spare for base model type of brakes. The regular brakes for the 350. And this was actually even worse. Believe it or not. So I'm probably going to have to get that part. Hopefully it's not expensive, because it's half a waste of money. But I don't feel like trying to go wild and trying to bend some goddamn thick ass metal. That doesn't sound like a good time at all. Not at all. I like to bend things, but not metal. Sometimes actually it is fun to bend metal. I apparently thought so that night when I was driving on the road and got into an accident. Thought, hey, why not? Let's bend some goddamn metal. So I got this guy together. Wheel back on. So I realized earlier when I showed you the box with the brakes in it, it was only the front brakes. What the hell, Rock Auto? What the hell? And that came yesterday. The rears didn't come today. What the hell? Huh? So I get to put the rear back in, but it's all ready to go. I just throw the rotors on there, throw the wheels on there, go with that. Big problem is the front right corner. So we shall pause for another evening. For a wonderful evening with Ryan Campbell. Soup to nuts. You're probably thinking to yourself right now, what the hell am I watching? And you know what? I don't have an answer for you. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. It's just jibber, jabber, jabber, jibber. Yap, 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 yap. I'm like a spouse and an old married couple. A lot of hot air. A lot of hot air. A lot of hot air up here. That's why I don't wear hats. Trying to keep cool. Trying to keep cool. Alright, so we will pause for another evening and we'll come back to your regularly scheduled program. Prime time, baby. Prime time, like Deion Sanders. Alright, that's it for this evening. I'll just stare at the camera for a little while, see what happens. Have a staring contest with the camera. See who smiles first. I'll wear your battery out. What you gonna do about that? Huh? Nothing. Alright. Drive fast, take chances.